Hello, in this Excel tutorial video we'll be working on the first part of the data workup for experiment 2 in Chem 1B. In particular, opening the export files from the Pasco Explorer into Microsoft Excel. I'm going to go ahead and open up the My Computer icon and open up the USB drive to which I've saved the files, and you'll see they're entered as text files. These are tab delimited text files. If you right-click on one of the files, you can go down to Open With and click on Microsoft Excel. Another way to open one of these files is from within Excel. Open. I'm going to switch to the USB drive. Down here at the bottom, Show All Files, and I can open these collectively. I did a shift click, clicked on the first one and then shift click on the next one. Open. If you open in this setting, it's going to have a text import wizard. We want deliminated files. It's tab delimited, and then we can go ahead and finish that. You can also just click the finish icon in most cases and these will all open up. Now right now every run that we ran on the instrument would show up as a separate text file. One thing we can do to change that, so get them all in the same files, I'm going to go ahead and open up the first one, and I'm going to save this, save as. All the way at the top is Microsoft Excel Workbook, and I'm going to call this Experiment 2. Okay. And so right now I have a tab in Experiment 2 that's the GLX port Run 1, and I can switch one at a time to the other files. And if you right-click on this tab at the bottom and select Move or Copy, I want to move the sheet to the Experiment 2 workbook after Run 1, and one at a time you can walk through these and move them into the workbook we're going to be using. So we have one file with all the tabs that we need. Okay, I've skipped ahead now to where I've exported all of the runs, and you'll see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can cursor over 7, 8, 9. I've put them all in one file. I want to be sure to save that file. In most cases, you're not going to need the number column because you will have exported both time and temperature. But on occasion, the time and temperature columns will be reversed, and it's going to be most convenient to make sure that your time column is first. If you want to move columns around, one of the easy ways to do it is to select the entire column by clicking on the letter up on the top, right-click, cut, and then insert cut cells, and I can switch them back and forth in this fashion. If I don't want the number column at the front, I can select that, right-click, and delete that column. And this will get my time and temperature data in a format that's convenient to work with for the next step, which will be doing the calibration.